Choosing a niche is probably the most important decision you will make as a digital entrepreneur. So I'm going to share with you the top 7 niches that are trending on YouTube for 2024. And don't worry, none of these are rubbish nonsense entertainment niches. These are all going to be niches that you can actually build a business around. So what I believe is one of the most interesting niches of 2024 is talking about men's glow up and men's self-improvement. This channel here is exploding, talking about how to become him, how to get clear skin, and how to look your best. They've gotten over 230,000 subscribers with just 16 videos, proving that this niche is extremely popular. I actually first came across this niche a little while ago on TikTok, when I noticed videos going viral on how men can improve their looks. Historically, the beauty niche has a CPM of around $12 per every 1,000 views. It's also very monetizable in terms of partnerships with product opportunities like Manscaped and stuff. Overall, I give this niche a 9 out of 10. The next niche on our list in 2024 is Stoicism. More and more people are beginning to believe in ancient wisdom. Channels like the Daily Stoic have blown up recently and built cult-like followings because they're teaching people a full-blown belief system. The CPM of this niche is believed to be about $3 per every 1,000 views, and it's not quite as interesting for partnerships. So I would give this niche a 6 out of 10. The fifth best niche to start in 2024 is fitness. This is one of those evergreen niches that will always be in demand. Whether it was 10 years ago, today, or 10 years from now, people are going to care about staying in shape. Creators like Knees Over Toes Guy and Kinobody have dominated this niche, building multi-million-dollar empires. The key to this niche is finding a way to stand out. And if you can figure a unique way to do that, you're going to make a lot of money. The CPM for the fitness niche is only about $2 for every 1,000 views. But this niche has many other monetization strategies. Because there is plenty of opportunity, but also plenty of competition in this niche, I would rate it a 7 out of 10. The fourth best niche of 2024 is personal finance. Whenever you can help someone make more money, there is a massive profit potential. This girl's channel started only about 2 years ago and has over 1 million subscribers. The reason is simple. Once you see her videos, you see that she is adding value to your life, and makes you want to subscribe to see more of what she has to offer so you can make more money. This niche has a crazy CPM of about $12 per every 1,000 views, which is the highest on our list. There are also a lot of partnership opportunities, so if you can break into this niche, I would rate it a 9.5 out of 10. The third best niche to start in 2024 is tech. So to provide a case study on how popular this niche is, Thomas Frank has a channel with about 3 million subscribers. He stopped working on this channel almost completely to start a new channel on how to use Notion. He stated publicly that he's making over $1 million a year from this new channel and has far less subscribers on it. Also, these channels started talking about AI, and they grew massive audiences almost overnight. The point being is, if you can find a way to ride this trend, talking about a new technology and new software in the market, you could build a large following and make a lot of money. Depending on the tech you are speaking about, the CPM can get up to $30 per 1,000 views. But this niche is a bit tough to break out on, so I would rate this niche an 8.5 out of 10. The second best niche of 2024 is relationship or dating advice. Unlike learning a new skill, this is a basic human desire that all humans have, and they're always going to be interested in. I'm sure you've heard a lot of love experts and dating coaches around like Matthew Hussey who have grown massive followings over the last few years. We've also seen new people enter this niche and blow up like this girl, Dating by Blaine, who even closed a deal with Mark Cuban on Shark Tank. Now this niche has a CPM of just $2 to $3 per every 1,000 views, and it's harder to get sponsorships, so I would rate this niche a 7 out of 10. And lastly, the best niche to start for 2024 is the ancestral health niche. This is a huge trend that is continuing to grow and is here to stay. The people who get in first are the ones that are going to be able to take full advantage of this niche. Guys like Liver King, Paul Saladino, and Andrew Huberman were a few that were first to the party, but I'm seeing new channels explode in this niche. There's tons of monetization opportunities in the health and nutrition niche, and the CPM is about $10 for every 1,000 views. So I'm going to rate this one a solid 9.5 out of 10. Choosing a niche is a very important part of the process, because it's going to be what your entire channel is about, and what kind of audience you'll attract. It should be a combination of something trendy, something you're interested in, and something you have some knowledge in, because you'll be making a lot of content in this space. My advice is to take choosing a niche very seriously. I tried to provide some really high quality niches, so please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more. Thanks for watching.